Kapil Shastri, and this is the demo video submission for my project for India Run Hackathon. The challenge here is the data and the AI challenge, solving the problem of recruiters that have to go through hundreds of thousands of profile. And I have created a system to get every this thing done in a few minutes. So here it is. Let me help you go through of the project I have built. So this is the Red Drop Senior AI Engineer role. The job description is very fair. The brief explicitly says, don't just count keywords, understand if someone can actually do the job. So we want someone who can actually perform the job that we'll be assigned to. So let me run this submission file first. So for the sample, we are running the sample that was provided by the organizers. Now, running this command, what it does is my system ranks all full 1 lakh candidates pool. The expensive embedding works happens here, and it is completely offline, so it does not require any use of the internet. So the actual graded step that you are watching finishes under 2 minutes. So this step will be completed in maybe 2 to 3 minutes, and it is working completely offline and even without the GPU cost. So the whole system can work without any cost of external expensive hardware or the internet. So for example, if there is a recruiter and he has a few profiles to fill inside his job, and coincidentally when he posted for this job, hundreds of thousands of candidates applied for this job. So the best way to like find a right person, not so what I've created is not just a system that will go through the keywords that are inside the uh, resume of the candidate, the but my system actually finds the right person with the right skill set required uh, to get seat for the job that is open. Right. So as you can see here, it is loading, and we'll just wait. Uh, we'll just wait for it to complete. Also, you can see there is a honeypot filter which filter out a few candidates that are highly recommendable for this job. So this system works in multiple steps, and the filtration is also of different on different aspects of the candidate. So we are not just looking at one skill set of the candidate, we are looking the overall package that the candidate bring on the table. So now we'll just wait for it to complete. As you can see, it is completed. The rank.py has been completed in just under 104 seconds. Now the honeypot rate is in process, and it is filtering out. It is also disqualifying the candidates that are not required, like that the candidate that does not meet the requirement. So now everything is under submission.py. So now we'll run the submission.py, and now we have the list of the 20 top candidates that are highly skillful for the job description. So as you can see, the candidate one, his and the score he brings. So his score is here, right here, and it is and you can see the reason why he was chosen as the rank number one. So recommendation system engineer stands out 5.9 years of hands-on experience with sentence transformers, covering several of job descriptions core need like embedding retrieval system, vector database or hybrid search infrastructure, strong Python and evaluation framework. So as you can see, it has not just ranked the candidates uh, based on the one skill set, but it is also evaluating them on their past experience and the exact skill set that they are good at. Right. So Uh, so this is actually the real output that we are looking for, and no HRs, no buzzword, no actual, no anything like anything fancy word, but this is actually a system recommendation with AI integrated, with years of experience on also the with this candidates having years of experience in the job that we are looking for. Now the last check is to like validate the submission. Like how do we validate? Now, if if there is something wrong with these answers, then it will come invalid. The submission will come invalid. As of now it is valid because the evaluation is actually based on the description of the job and between the candidates that it is choosing. And this is the last command that I will run, just to let you know that everything is working under the under like everything is deployable. So as of now I have deployed it on the local host. As you can see here, we are just waiting for it to just to load here. Once the tool is ready, it can run like this. Maybe we can work on UI to make it look better, but it is also perfect. As you can see, it has created this recommendation system and it is also ranked 50 top 50 candidates here. And you can see why they are scored, the score they have, and the current title that they have, the location they are at, and the recommendations, like reasoning, actually the reason why they are chosen. Also you can download this ranking file, like I have downloaded here. Let me show you the ranking file as well. This is how it ranks people. Here you can see the reason why they are ranked and the scores the system has provided them. So I have created this complete system. Do have a look of it and let me and tell me how did you like my project, and bye bye.